Hi everyone! Let's start with today's Revit lesson. In this tutorial, we'll learn to create and manage levels in Revit. Levels are horizontal planes that define heights in a project. Building elements such as floors, walls, column and beam are constrained to levels. Levels can be modified only in a section or elevation view. These are two existing levels visible in this elevation. Each level has a corresponding floor plan. To create a new level, go to the Architecture tab, Level, under Datum. Click once to place the head. It automatically snaps. Click again to place the end. This method requires checking temporary dimension and snapping twice. Let's look at a more easier method using pick lines. Select Pick Lines, enter Offset Dimension. Hover over a level, click when an offset line is visible. Many levels can be created in just a click. All these levels are locked together. Altering them is quick. If you notice level 2 is black, that is because there is no floor plan for level 2. To create floor plan from levels, navigate to View tab, Plan Views, Floor Plan. Select the level. Make sure Do Not Duplicate is checked and click OK. Now you can see a new floor plan, level 2, and the colour is changed to blue. In order to create similar floor plans for all the levels, do this one small step. While using pick lines, check Create Plan View. All the levels created now will have a corresponding floor plan. Next, we'll learn about levels associated with a building. Go to an elevation view to edit levels. These levels are not locked together. Now let's align them. We need to add few more levels to detail this elevation. Edit the heights. These two levels overlap each other. We have this pointer here. Clicking this drops down the level head. Now it is legible. Further renaming is required. While renaming a level, Revit asks if corresponding views need to be renamed. Click Yes to rename, unless you're creating a construction phase or alternate views. Now the name is changed in these views too. Let's quickly rename all the levels and their corresponding views. Line weight, symbol. Head shape of these levels can be customized. Let's change the head. This is useful for presentation drawings. Similarly, edit the levels in other elevations too. All the levels are aligned. Sometimes levels appear in one elevation and not in the other. Just check the visibility graphics. Even after switching it, few more levels are hidden. Check if it is hidden in this particular view. Let's unhide both. We have a pro tip: create levels from massing. If you're working with massing, you can automatically generate levels based on mass floors. Let's see how to create floors for this mass. Select Mass Floors, check Required Levels and click OK. You've created floors based on levels. That's everything you need to know about levels in Revit. Comment your doubts and hit subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.